Zoning is the main reason. And then lack of inclusivity. Kama mtu anakuacha saa hii kwa meza ile wanapanga vitu, halafu anakuambia don't worry, tukipata serikali utakuwa kwa hiyo meza. Lakini saa hii wakati inapangwa, wewe uko nje unachungulia, wakimeza unameza mate. Wao wanameza nyama, unameza mate ukiwa nje. The contract between Azimio and Maendeleo Chap is an unconscionable contract, one that is unfair and one whose intent is to finish our party and our aspirations. Last night, we signed an agreement with Kenya Kwanza to become members of Kenya Kwanza as a party. And unlike in Azimio, I have the copy of the document that I signed. Hawakunificha na nilipatia copy yangu mwenyewe. The wind of change is blowing in Kenya. We cannot continue being in a country of a few millionaires and millions who are suffering in abject poverty. We are convinced, and I am convinced, that the best team to transform Kenya is Kenya Kwanza, and the best leader to free us from the yoke of poverty is one Dr. William Ruto. As a party, we also want to campaign for a president who will be in charge and not one we feel will be guided by others. As a child who was born in abject poverty and one who is self-made, I know what this country needs and what will be best for Kenya. And that is the embodiment of one, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, who by the grace of God and the votes of the people of Kenya will be the next president of Kenya.